Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I've got this wonderful nail grinder and my cat, Honey Cat. This is Honey, who's the sweetest cat I've ever seen. Now to get him used to the grinder, I like to just keep it by him when I'm petting him so it doesn't freak him out, okay? Now the next thing I would do with my Honey Cat is once he's used to the grinder, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clip his little nails. Now he's such a good sport for letting me do this. And this is a nail clipper that comes with the device. So once we've gone ahead and done the clipping, we can then grind his nails, and he's such a good sport about this. Thank you, Honey Cat. You see, what a good cat. You hear it? And this is such a nice, relaxing device, and it's good to have a pet that gets used to it. So using this around your pet, having the noise makes them very relaxed and easygoing. See, he just got his nails clipped, and a lot of people will tell me, you can't cut a cat's nails. Is that right? He's a very vocal man. But we can do it pretty easily with his permission, thanks to the good folks who have designed just something that's really smart and easy to use. See, we're just gonna get him used to it and then grind it down. Good job, buddy. Don't you think he deserves a pet, some treats for this? So I'm gonna go give him a treat, then we're gonna work on his other nail, but let me show you a little bit more. This is a fantastic device. All right, folks, kudos to Honey Cat, and we're gonna show you even more. So, folks, the device itself is good for your cats or your dogs, and like I said, I like to get them used to it, to where it's on around them. The nice thing about this is it's so ultra quiet, they're not even bothered by it. Look at that. Biscuit doesn't seem to mind it too much, right? He's a good man. And Honey Cat was just so sweet. He's getting his treats over on the other side of the house right now. We did all 4 of his paws, all of his nails, including the dew claws. No problem. Biscuit, the same thing. I get him used to it, to where he's not freaked out. Isn't that right, honey? And we just do a great job with this. Now, it's got 3 speeds, high, medium, low, a very powerful battery, rechargeable with USB-A, 2C, and it does come with a brand new set of clippers where you can clip your pet's nails so easy. They don't even notice. All right, folks, my name is Adam. Fantastic device, can't be beat. Go ahead and check it out. You will not be disappointed. Now I'm gonna ask you to stick around for our up-close portion of the video. There we go. Stick around for our up-close portion of the video. We're gonna show you this product up close and personal. But if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is heck yes. All right, folks, now it's time for up-close portion of the video. Great brand. Electric pet nail grinder. Very compact, succinct, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. It says make sure your pet is familiar with the product. I like to turn it on and just have it by them to get them used to it. Used to the noise, to where they're not freaking out about it. It says half hug your pet and choose a suitable port, and then use the light grinder. A lot of people will use the grinder, they'll clip their dog's nails, and then they will just kind of smooth out so you're not getting scratched with those freshly clipped nails. Some people just do the grinding. There's a lot of different ways to use a product like this, and it makes a world of difference. It says pay attention not to grind the bloodline, okay? It makes sense. Don't do it for more than 5 seconds at a time. Just do a little boop, 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 boop. So it's a really smart and fun device. Let's see what color we got here. We got blue. Now, I've seen a few different colors. I've seen the white. I like that. And wow, look at this guy. Look at this. Okay, so it's going to be rechargeable with your USB-C. That's that standard port that everyone's using now. It goes to USB-A to charge. Here's your grinder wheel. And just a great look. Woo, the lights are on, that's nice. Somebody's home, and I cannot wait to get started. So folks, I'm gonna use it on myself first. Do you see that? See that grinding down my nail? Look at that, so smooth, right? So a nice device. I'll grind down my own nails just as practice. I'll practice on myself before I do my dog, right? But yeah, just smooth. And a nice look right there. So folks, if you're looking for something stylish, sophisticated, and chic, this is it. Now you can put the nail right in here, or you can use this top part See the sand coming off where you can tell that it's working? The dust, if you will. So just smoothing down the nail, and that is a nice device. You can see it does show you the battery and the speed. Low, medium, high. All right. So folks, go ahead, get your pet used to this. It's a nice device that's going to make a world of difference. And you can see it really does clean up my nails. I love it, and I think you're going to love it as well. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations, showing you the best of the best so you can forget the rest. Don't you dare miss it. And I like that light. That light makes a difference, right? You can see what you're doing. All right. If your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is heck yes. Okay. Also in the box, here's your cutters for cutting your dog's nail. That's nice that they got some fresh, new, sharp cutters. These are the safe kind. I like that. You've got the brush for cleaning off the device, cleaning off the nails, etc. And of course, some straightforward instructions. We're talking about a 1200 mAh battery. There's the English instructions, how to cut, how to grind. It's absolutely perfect. And you got the extra wheel. All right, go ahead and check it out. You will not be disappointed. I'm Adam. Move this out the way. Elite Demonstrations. I appreciate you and support you. Goodbye, my friends.